Want to achieve a juicy baked turkey this year? Well, today I am going to show you guys my secret recipe on how to make the most juicy, mouth-watering baked turkey recipe. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. This video, I'm going to tell you all the tricks and tips on this recipe so you can have a successful Thanksgiving turkey. So I'm using a 10-pound turkey. Make sure it's nice and clean and room temperature. It cannot be cold. I'm using carrot, celery, onion, and lemon to stuff inside the turkey, as well as some rosemary and thyme. You will need room temperatured butter and some minced garlic. I'm using Tony Sashier's injectable butter, also creole seasoning, adobo seasoning, and yeah, all of the dry seasoning. I will leave that below and I will tell you guys as we go on in this video. So I'm going to grab the butter. I am going to pour in thyme, garlic, and rosemary. Notice my rosemary and thyme and garlic is finely chopped. Okay, make sure you finely chop them. Now I'm going to mix it with the butter. Once you have something like that, nice and smooth and well combined, you are going to grab your turkey. Now make sure it's pat dry, okay? No moisture, make sure it's nice and pat dry. Like I said, the turkey needs to be room temperature. It cannot be cold from the inside. Otherwise, you might have to cook it longer and it'll be dry, okay? You don't want no dry turkey for Thanksgiving, do you? I'm kidding. I inserted my finger underneath the skin of the turkey so I can be able to stuff in the butter. This butter is going to make the turkey nice and juicy, and the flavor from the rosemary and the thyme and the garlic is going to set it off, okay? I'm telling you. As you can see, I'm pushing it in, especially the breast. That's where the turkey is mostly dry. So make sure you get the butter nice and flat in there. Once you have that, you're going to grab your injectable butter. This stuff right here, you got to have it. It makes the turkey so saucy, so juicy, and so flavorful. So you can buy this at any grocery stores. If you can't find it, I will leave it on my Amazon storefront for you. It will be in the description box, okay? You will see it. So it came with a syringe, so I'm going to pull the sauce, the butter, or whatever, inject the turkey with that injectable butter. All right, it's going to make it so saucy, I'm telling you. This recipe is always a success, never fail, all the time, nice and juicy. If you made my last Thanksgiving recipe, this one is another really, really good one. So try it out. And I have other Thanksgiving turkey. You pick what you want to cook, but just know all of them are 10 out of 10. Okay, so we're going to continue injecting the butter. Once you're done, you're going to stuff the turkey. I'm adding lemon, celery, carrots, and onion. Also, do not forget the thyme and the rosemary. This will add so much flavor. It will just make your turkey taste so herby and flavorful. The rosemary will add a nice aroma to the meat. Let me tell you, this right there, it's so good, okay? Just know. Once you're done, you are going to mix all of your seasoning together. For the seasoning, I'm using adobo, creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, as well as some ground black pepper. Mix that together. Make sure all of the seasoning is nice and well mixed together. Grab a little bit of olive oil, drizzle some of that on the turkey. I am doing the back first, as you can see. Rub that in, and then you are going to generously season the turkey. I know a lot of you guys probably don't eat the back of the turkey, but it is a good stock once you're done with the turkey. You can just boil it and make yourself some turkey stock. You can use it for soup, anything you're making. But this turkey is so good, your guests probably going to eat the back of it, okay? The back of it. This meat there, yes, you want to season it as well. So flip your turkey over, drizzle some more olive oil. Then you're going to want to season this turkey generously, okay? Heavy-handed with the seasoning, because you don't want your turkey to be under seasoned, do you? No, ma'am. I love me some turkey wings and turkey legs, okay? And I know some of you guys probably don't like turkey breast. This time, I promise you, you're going to eat it. You're not even going to know it's the breast, okay? That's how good it is. Season the rest of the veggies. Pour it at the bottom of my baking dish. Grab my turkey and place it right on there. I will have this baking dish in my Amazon store as well. If you need one before Thanksgiving, you better run and go get yourself some. Okay. Now you're going to cover the turkey with some foil. Now the foil is going to keep the turkey from burning, and it's going to help the turkey stay nice and juicy. So I'm going to bake this on 325. Yes, you heard me, for about 3 hours. I will leave a chart on the screen for you to see how long you should bake your turkey. Okay, so this is about 3 hours later, you guys. The turkey is nice and done. Make sure to let it sit so it can be juicy. Don't cut it right away. And this is the final result. The whole house is smelling like Thanksgiving. Okay, the turkey smells so amazing. My mouth is watering, so let's try it. Okay, let me try. Ooh, this part is juicy. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I'm telling you. Hold on. Wow. So flavorful. So juicy. Oh my goodness. Let's try a big piece this time. This part is juicy and it's the breast. Done. So juicy, buttery at the same time, and the skin is so crispy. Okay, it's nice and crispy and buttery at the same time. I hope you guys give this a try for Thanksgiving. You will not fail this year, okay? Thanks to me, because this recipe is a winner. You are going to have a great Thanksgiving if you try this recipe. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to give it a like for me. That shows me you are supporting me. You like what I'm doing here. So please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're watching me for the first time. Be sure to subscribe so you can see more of my recipes. Leave me a comment and I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.